Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable adaptive sound for your earbuds XIAOMI Buds 5 Pro. You have to start by open XIAOMI Earbuds application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see the same menu. Now scroll down and you need to find audio effects and then tap on it. Right here at the second line we have adaptive sound, so you need to click at the slider to enable it if the slider have empty background. To disable it you need to also tap one time at the slider if the slider have colorful background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!